Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to clean, cooked and stored some ackee. Ackee is our national fruit in Jamaica and the national dish is ackee and saltfish. Here I have some ackee fresh from the tree. Yes, I rather eat the fresh one than the thin one, guys. I don't know, the taste is so much different. Yes, and we're going to remove the seed and make sure to clean all the red stuff that's inside. And another key stuff, guys, ackee is only edible when it's open on its own, just like those that I'm showing right here, okay? So you have to please be careful when it comes to ackee. And again, we're just cleaning that, remove the seeds and all the red stuff inside. Just keep on watching, guys. In Jamaica, we prepared ackee with a lot of stuff, not only with saltfish. We use ackee and callaloo. Yes, that sounds weird but tasty. We have ackee and chicken back or ackee and chicken. Yes. We have ackee and saltfish fried rice. For the vegetarian one, we have the straight ackee with our nice season and stuff, or you can add it with the veggie chunks. That's really delicious also. And my last but most favorite is my ackee with corned pork. Yes, very tasty, guys. Very, very tasty. For those of you that don't know what ackee is, as I mentioned earlier, ackee is our national fruit in Jamaica, and we prepare that together with saltfish. Some people say codfish or stockfish, and that is our national dish, ackee and saltfish, okay? Yes, and you guys should check it out. For those of you in the States, you can check out the thin version that's shipped from Jamaica. Yes, but I'm blessed to have these straight from the tree, fresh, fresh, fresh. Now I'm going to just store these and you'll see how I do that one, okay, guys? Just keep on watching. And if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. It really means a lot. And here are all the waste we got from our ackee, and there's our ackee. And whenever I'm cooking my ackee, I always add some pimento seed. Yes, and I'm going to allow my water to come to a boil, add salt, add my pimento seed, and allow my ackee to cook for at least 5 minutes depending on the texture. We have two different texture ackee. As far as I know, we have the buttery ackee, that one cook really fast, and another texture that's more harder. These are more on the softer texture. Yes, and here I'm double checking to make sure I've cleaned all my ackees properly. before boiling. And I'm just going to boil these for 5 minutes, and then we drain off the water, and you'll see the step after. Yes, to my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. For the newcomers, thank you so much for joining the family. Please like, share, comment, and tell a friend to tell a friend. And here I'm just preparing the ackee for storage. I've drained the water completely. Now I'm adding my cooking oil. I'm going to drizzle that well and coat. Then I'm going to allow it to cool down, then store in my Ziploc bag. These can store up to 6 months in my case if it stayed that long. And I'm going to place a playlist of all my ackee videos in the description box below. And all the ackee videos on my channel will be on the iCard. I try to do that. And I forget 2 other nice ackee dishes. Ackee and red herring and ackee and salt mackerel, guys. I've created those also. So if you enjoy this one, guys, please tell me in the comment section below. And here's my ackee ready for storage. And I hope you enjoy this one. Here is a snippet from one of my ackee video. This one is my ackee and fried chicken back. Yes, very delicious, guys. And here is my ackee and saltfish with fried dumpling and fried plantain. That was a delicious breakfast. Hope you guys enjoy this one. And thank you guys for all the continued support. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.